to fix Facebook features photos not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix Facebook feature photos not showing. So first of all, just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your account and you see that you are facing the featured photo problem that are not showing in your account, so in order to fix that, all you have to do is just simply open your mobile settings and just simply scroll down and click on the app section from the list over here and go to the app management. Now scroll down again and select Facebook, and in order to fix your problem, just simply go ahead and click on the storage uses, and over here you will be able to see the cache and data that has been accumulated over the period of time on your Facebook account, and that might be causing the featured photo problem in your Facebook account. So simply go ahead and click on clear cache and manage space and data. You can simply remove the cache related to your Facebook app and just free some space. And after that, once you open your Facebook account, you will be able to see that your problem should be fixed. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to fix Facebook featured photos not showing. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.